Look at that lion. Can you see it? Let me run for my life. Let me run for my life. Guys. Let me run for my life, guys. And it's big.
Guys, it's an ostrich.
What? Wow. What's up, good people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my good name is Claudia, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And if it's your first time to come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, give a like, watch the video to the end. And on today's video, I'm with
John Wambua TV. So I decided to take her along my daily routine, which is a walk that I do every evening. I decided to go with Claudia Walks. Kindly, my subscribers, my team, try to search on YouTube. I'll post the link below. So subscribe, like her videos, share, show her love.
So guys, make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. Give him support. Road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. It's only... How many subscribers are you remaining to get to that?
Less than 200 subscribers.
So guys, my team, let's give him support. So guys, on today's video, we are in Awambwa. Where are we?
We are somewhere between Kitengela and the river. As you can see, this is the park, the Nairobi National Park. Not exactly the park, but wildlife reserved area. So I always take a walk to the park, and today I decided to go with Claudia Walks. So come with us.
Okay guys, let's take a walk. We'll be showing you around the part of Nairobi National Park. So let's go together. Remember, we are in part of Nairobi National Park, and I'm trying to see how things looks like here. Yeah.
Mind. Claudia is literally walking, and there are animals ahead of you. You can see them.
Yeah, I can see one there.
Here, and then go slowly. Approach them with cover. Curtis is doing that.
These are antelopes. Guys, I don't know whether you can see. There are some antelopes there. Let me zoom. let's keep on walking and see if we can get another animals here. Remember, we're in Nairobi National Park. We are trying to walk around. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe, guys. Guys, the view of the sun is so good. Yeah. Sunset, we call it sunset, eh? Guys, we have another antelopes here, guys. Oh. I don't want to go far, but let's see. I think it's trying to run. Yeah, can you see it? Guys, look at that lion. Can you see it? Let me run for my life. Let me run for my life. Guys, let me run for my life, guys. So guys, this is the place that the animals come to drink water. Let me show you. It's like a dam. It has dried up. It's a big dam. From that side to this side. So I don't know. So guys, I don't know what happens if the animals don't have water here. Yeah, I'm just happy, guys. I'm just happy because I'm working in Nairobi National Park. We have seen several antelopes. And guys, I'm trying to walk around and see if we can get like some animals like giraffes. We have seen a big lion, but I had to run for my life. So let's keep on walking. Actually, I'm trying to explore this place. It's a nice place actually, but you need to be careful. You need to be careful, guys, because anywhere, anytime, a lion can come, a cheetah, or any other animal. So let's keep on walking around, guys. Remember, we are going to the upper part of the national park. I'm with John Wambua TV here. He's trying to guard me, guys. Oh, he's trying to guard me so that I can be safe. Actually, I think I'm in safe hands.
So I go this way.
Guys, that ostrich running. I don't know whether you can see from far. We are trying to explore this nice place. Guys, look at the beautiful sunset over there. So beautiful. And guys, remember, I'm trying to get courage on the camera. hey, to fix the camera. You know what? I'm not used to. So, guys, you will bear with me. Make sure you give me that support, guys, so that I can have that courage to fix the camera. So, the camera, sorry. So, guys, make sure you subscribe. Hi. Guys, just look at that beautiful bird there. I don't know how I'm going to take it, but and it's big.
Guys, it's an ostrich.
What? Wow.
Is this an antelope or a deer? I would say, oh dear.
It's a deer.
Oh dear.
It was called in
That's why I said, oh dear.
Guys, remember we are in Nairobi National Park.
The park that you never see of Nairobi National Park.
This place you will never see on TV.
Now they have to have what you see. Those are buffaloes. Oh my God.
Really?
Something here take buffaloes and make them cows. No, these are buffaloes. These are buffalo that turns to cows. I think I should be feeding buffaloes, soldier. Oh, this is well. How many cows?
Uncountable.
I mean, how many cows? Maybe our brother Sam can bring some cows. How many cows? Come on, say that again on my camera.
Over 100.
Over 100 cows. You see? Over 100 cows. Yeah? Sam? Yes. Utatoboa? Over 100 cows. For Claudia.
Ngangana, tatoa kidogo.
I don't think whether we can go into the park. Maybe just check around and see whether you can see animals from a distance. But it's even risky to get into the park. But someone not just bushes, but there are animals.
Wild beast.
There is an ostrich. You can see some wild beasts. One that is very far. I don't know whether we're gonna get close. We're gonna be able to get closer.
Let's go and see.
Hope the ostrich does not descend the ostrich us.
They are looking at us.
The problem is that you're working against the sun. At least if you're working from the other side.
Guys, look at those wild beasts. They are looking at us. So let's get closer and see. Let's go and get closer, guys. Ooh, they are running. They are running. They are trying to run from us. Guys, I don't know whether you can see well because of the sun, but let me run after them. Guys, they are running and I'm running. Yes, I'm still enjoying. It's a nice place. Guys, I'm enjoying here. Look at how they are standing. Oh, they are running. So guys, I think I should end my video here. Have enjoyed. It was a nice walk, guys. So make sure you subscribe, you watch the video to the end. I don't know whether we can get another chance to come here to visit this place and explore more. So guys, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Oh guys, look, they are looking at me. Let's go and see. Let me see if I can get closer so that you can see them well. They are looking at me. Guys, if I run, they will run too. Let's see. Let me run. Look, they are running. They are running. They are running. Okay. They are running. Look. Guys, it's okay, guys. Make sure you subscribe. And guys, there is an ostrich there. Let me see if I can get closer, but the ostrich is too big. Huh? I think it can fight me. So I just need to be careful. Now look at Bombua there. He doesn't want to get closer to those animals. So anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe, watch the video to the end. Have enjoyed, huh? Guys, we are trying to walk around Nairobi National Park. You can see some deers there. They are trying to run. So guys, they are running. I think they saw here people. Don't know why they are running, but I hope you have seen them. Guys, this is Nairobi National Park. Oh, can you imagine, guys, walking around Nairobi National Park? What do we call this? Am I risking? Let me know. I think I'm risking a lot, so I'm trying to walk around. Let's keep on walking.
A beautiful